Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Chutney Lasani. I'm from UIN Syarif Hidayatullah, Jakarta. Today, I'm going to express my opinion about why Masjid Quba is important to be preserved by Muslims. In my opinion, Masjid Quba is very important Islamic site that deserves special attention and protection. Masjid Quba is known as the first mosque ever built in the history of Islam because of its strong historical value, religious meaning, and the lessons that it gives to Muslims. I believe that Masjid Quba should always be maintained and preserved. Firstly, Masjid Quba has a strong historical significance. It was built by Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, when he arrived in Medina during the Hijrah. This moment marked the beginning of the development of Islam in Medina and also the formation of the Muslim community there. By preserving Masjid Quba, we are not only taking care of a building, but we are also protecting an important part of Islamic history. If Masjid Quba is well maintained, future generations can still connect with the journey of Prophet Muhammad and understand how Islam began to grow in Medina. In other words, preserving Masjid Quba means keeping our history alive. Secondly, Masjid Quba is also very meaningful from a religious perspective. Prophet Muhammad recommended Muslims to pray in Masjid Quba. He also mentioned the great reward of praying in this mosque. This shows that Masjid Quba is not just a historical building, but also a meaningful place of worship for Muslims. When Muslims visit and pray there, they can feel closer to the teachings and traditions of Islam. Because of this religious importance, I believe preserving Masjid Quba can help Muslims continue to remember the values and practices taught by Prophet Muhammad. Thirdly, Masjid Quba teaches Muslims about important values such as sincerity, unity, and obedience to Allah. The mosque is a reminder that Islam was built based on faith, cooperation, and strong brotherhood. When Muslims visit Masjid Quba and learn about its history, they can reflect on those values and apply them in their daily lives if Masjid Quba is well preserved. These lessons can continue to be learned and remembered by future generations. The preservation of the preservation of Masjid Quba is not only about protecting a physical building, but also about protecting the value behind it. Based on the arguments above, it is clear that Masjid Quba should be preserved by Muslims. The historical events, the religious recommendation, and the important moral lessons from this mosque show that Masjid Quba has great meaning for the Muslim community. Therefore, Muslims are encouraged to support efforts to maintain and protect Masjid Quba. By doing so, we can ensure that the history, the values, and the religious importance of Masjid Quba remain meaningful in the future. That's my recommendation about why Masjid Quba is important to be preserved by Muslim. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.